What is going on, guys? You're watching Augury AI. My name is Pierce Mondesure and we are based out in Toronto. Today is a special episode because we are going to be doing a tutorial, and we'll say in under 6 minutes, on how to connect your Google credentials into your N8N platform. So I got my coffee and we're going to start this right after the intro goes. Play that intro. All right, so guys, we're back and we're gonna start at this website. We're in consolecloud.google, the Google console. And let me spare the names for now. Right at the top left where it says Google Cloud, we're gonna go right to the tab beside it, tap on it, and you'll be seeing this page. Tap on New Project at the top right. And right there, we're gonna name the project. Augury AI. No need to do the organization, just hit enter right after that. And once it's done loading, we're going to tap back on that icon and select that project. And once we're in it, go to the sidebar to the left, scroll down to where you see APIs and services, tap on Enable APIs and Services, and then look at the top where it says Enable APIs and Services again with a plus sign, tap on it, and then search up Google Drives, or just Drive, where you see Google Drive API Enable. But that's not enough for us, guys. We want to add a lot more because we got 5 minutes to go with, and I want to push it to the limit. Okay, so once this is done, we're going to search up Docs. We want Google Docs. Do a backspace. Press the plus sign again. Type Docs. Google Drive and Google Docs. Well, what's a lot of other tutorials you guys see about N8N? Calendar? Exactly. We're going to get the Google Calendar, backspace, plus, Cal. Tap on Google Calendar API and enable. Once it's done, actually I got a question for you guys. Have any of you guys seen any N8N tutorials pertaining around Google Slides? No, I haven't either. So let's add Google Slides to try and stay ahead of the curve. Tap on that. And there might be one more that I'm missing. One of the main Google nodes. We got Google Drive. If that's the case, let's just search up Google. However, I think we're good. Calendar, we got that. Everything we got. Feel free to add anything else that you guys see. Google Sheets, I don't think I added that. Yes, enable that. All right, backspace. Now look to the left and where it says OAuth consent screen, tap on that, guys. And where it says get ready, tap on that again. For the app name, make it the same as your project if you guys want to keep it consistent. If not, do whatever. And if you don't have an email that pops up, make one that you're willing to keep on using. Preferably, it's a Gmail one. Now, click external for audience. Now I'm going to do a different email, but what I'm doing is going to be guys beeswax. I'm just joking. It is, especially in relation to this video. So I just put a different one down, and really the contact information was important, guys, and every other prompt for an email after this. So press create OAuth at the screen it brings you to after, and on that screen, press web application. Give it the same name, and then you'll see authorized redirect URLs. Don't worry about any of the other ones that pop up. Go to N8N when you reach this stage, tap on a Google trigger. I have the Google Drive trigger, and where it says credential to connect with, tap on that. Tap on add new credential. Copy the OAuth redirect URL and paste that back into the Google Cloud console. Press OK, and then at the sidebar where it says branding, tap on that. And where it says authorized domains, add one and type N8N.cloud. I'm assuming you guys are on the cloud. It's probably the most efficient one to use if you're hoping to make workflows for businesses. Now go below that into audience, where it says test users, add users, and do the email that you guys have been using throughout this process, or at least for the last 2 or 1. Press save. You guys, we're just about done, 30 seconds, maybe even a bit more. At this stage, we go to clients. It's right under the audience tab at the left bar. Tap on the name of your project. It should have a highlight of blue and an underline. And then where it says client ID, copy that, go to N8N, paste it if you're still on this screen. Go back to the Google Cloud console, copy the client's secret, and paste that. Now you should have a pop-up that says sign in with Google. Tap on that. It should be in the promised land. Tap on the account that you guys were using the email of, press continue, even though it says Google hasn't verified it, because you are the creator of this app. Select everything, connection successful. You can go back, rename it if you guys want to, and you finally have your credentials connected. So if you guys found that video helpful, despite it being a speed run, despite me having my own little hiccups, it was in less than 6 minutes. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe. If you guys want to be able to get some workflows ahead of the race before some other people, join the school community. But besides that, hopefully it was all clear and you guys found it useful. My name is Pierce Mondesure. This is Augury AI, and we are out.